This video is to show you how to manage Shopee listings in SiteGiant. First of all, click on Add New Sales Channel to integrate your Shopee store in SiteGiant. After that, your Shopee products will be synced back into SiteGiant under Shopee listing. You can then follow this video to link your Shopee products to SiteGiant Inventory Items to synchronize inventories by performing bulk inventory linking. And if you have more than one Shopee store, you can change your store here. Let me show you how to create a new Shopee product in SiteGiant. Firstly, click on Add Product. If the product has variants, turn on this option. Enter all the necessary details, upload image, and make sure the fields marked with an asterisk are fully entered. Select the right Shopee category for the product that you are creating. The attributes will then be generated based on the selected category. To enter variation, enter the name of the variation and the option, and you can add the variant image from here. If the second layer of variant is needed, click on Add Variation and enter the variation details. Once it is done, the list of variations will be generated. If you have SiteGiant inventory items created for this in advance, you can link them by clicking on the Search Inventory button. Else, you can enter the SKU by clicking on the button Generate, enter the stock and price for the variants, then you can click on the Create button. A preview of the inventory item details will be shown. Once you have confirmed the details, you can click on Create Item. The bulk inventory items will be created automatically and they will be linked to the variations accordingly. If the product's variant option is disabled at the very beginning, the steps to create variation will be skipped and you can directly link it to an item or create new item to the single product. Scroll to the shipping section, enter the weight and parcel size, and enable the related shipping fee. When you have all the details ready, you can proceed to click on Save and Publish to Shopee. The new product will appear in Shopee Seller Center shortly. At the same time, you will find the new product added into SiteGiant Shopee listing with last update time. If you wish to update a particular Shopee product, you can click on the individual listing, update the details here and proceed to click Update and Publish. Besides that, you can also update multiple products in one go by selecting multiple products and then click on the Bulk Edit button. Before that, it's recommended to perform sync back action first to ensure the Shopee product details in SiteGiant are up to date before proceeding to the Bulk Edit. Next, you will be directed to the Bulk Edit page with all of the product details listed. You can scroll to the right to have a look on more of the details. If there are certain information to be updated, you may unselect all the fields, then select only the fields that you want to update. The selected fields will be shown below for you to update to the particular product, or you can also bulk edit the field for all of the selected products. Once it is complete, click on Update. The latest information will then be synced to the Shopee Seller Center. If you made changes to the products from Shopee Seller Center, you can use this Sync Back Product function to have the latest product information synced back to SiteGiant immediately. Choose Sync Selected if only selected products are to be updated, or use Sync All. This will include the new products which are not available in SiteGiant. That's it! Hope it gives you ideas in maintaining Shopee listings in SiteGiant better. Thank you for watching the video.